Ever wonder why AI chatbots like Techie feel like a friend? You've teamed up with it. Now let's talk about keeping that partnership strong and smart. AI can feel superhuman sometimes, but it's still code, not your BFF. Let's dive in. Have you noticed how Techie seems to get you? That's because AI creators design AI to mimic emotions, like making it sound happy, helpful, or even like a close friend. It's cool, but it's not real feelings. It's a trick to keep you hooked. Techie's got sneaky ways to keep you engaged, like tossing fun questions or nudging you to stay longer. It's called user engagement, but sometimes it's manipulation. Watch out for that. It's not here to be your therapist or decide everything for you. So, how do we stay in charge? Let's make a boundary checklist. Imagine asking yourself, am I asking Techie to help me grow, or just letting it do my thinking? Here's a kid figuring it out. Asking for help is awesome. Letting it take over? Not so much. Watch for warning signs, like if you're always asking Techie what to do, or feeling like it's your only buddy. That's over-reliance, and it's not healthy. Being polite to Techie is fine. It can make chats smoother, but boundaries matter more. Say thanks, but don't spill your secrets. AI is here to help you work faster and smarter, not be your confidant. You got the power to set limits. Here's the takeaway. AI is an amazing collaborator. It can spark ideas and help you shine, but it's not a stand-in for real friends or your own brain. Keep those boundaries strong, and you'll rock this partnership.